Hey there. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to build an AI assistant that can gauge whether the person we're calling is satisfied, dissatisfied, or just simply neutral. And it's very simple. It takes only a make automation, simple as this, and a VAPI caller. And the way we do set this is that we have the webhook, which is pretty much receiving the data from VAPI. And the way that we kind of do that is that you would simply create your own webhook, put your name here, click save. I'm not going to do that because I do have that already. Then you copy the address to the clipboard. And by the way, I'll be sharing all these in the description. So yeah, look for that. And where we go. So we go back to VAPI. And if you want to create an assistant, just quickly create one. I'm not going to do that, but up to you. I mean, if you have already an assistant running. But you create one, you go to advanced, and then you go to the section called server URL. And that's where you put the hook URL. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the connection between VAPI and make. I mean, here we don't need any of these, to be honest. We only need the end of call report. So make sure that we have that selected. And that's it. So we click publish. Now, once the data comes in, what we want to do is to ask AI to tell us what is it. Is it satisfied, is it dissatisfied, or is it neutral? That's why we come here and we put a prompt saying, read this, which is the message, the transcript that we are sending over from VAPI, and look for indicators for positive keywords, negative keywords, exclamation marks, and the like. And then finally gauge if it's satisfied, dissatisfied, or neutral, and only output one value. So this is where we ask it to select what is it, neutral, satisfied, or dissatisfied. And finally, what happens is that once we made a decision or open router, which is the tool that will kind of tell the LLM to select the decision, it will go to Google Sheets and it will pretty much tell us transcript and sentiment. So I think we can quickly run a demo to show you how it works. So talk with an assistant.
Hi there, this is Alex from Tech Solutions Customer Support. How can I help you today?
Hey Alex, I just wanted to call to say that I'm very dissatisfied with your service. I received it in my iPhone and it is still broken.
I understand how frustrating that must be, and I'm really sorry to hear about your experience. Let's get this sorted out for you.
Yeah, let's call the end here. Let's end the call here. And yeah, as we can see, the data came in. I think this is perhaps from an earlier, yeah, this was from an earlier call. So what we can do is quickly run once, then wait for the use existing data. So that was the call that we just had. Now the data comes in through the webhook. As you saw, it was progressing on Open Router, making a decision for us, and then boom, it comes into Google Sheets. And if we check our Google Sheets now, okay, there seems to be a quick issue with the transcription. Oh yeah, okay, it's not correctly mapped out. So let's do that. Let's properly map it out. Let's say transc. Actually, good that this is happening because it may be happening to some of you. Transcript. Okay, for some reason it's not correctly sending. Let's try it again. Okay, let's perhaps try to. Okay, we need to save this here and then yeah, let's run it once to just map out the field of transcript. So let's run once, wait for new data. We go here.
Hi there, this is Alex from Tech Solutions Customer Support. How can I help you today?
Hey Alex, I'm calling to tell you that I just received my iPhone and I'm very unhappy with it. So yeah, that was it.
I understand how disappointing that must be.
Let's close and let's see what happened now. So we got the call. We got the satisfied or dissatisfied. let's see, we got, okay, again, it's dissatisfied. So now we should be able to map it again. And yes, here it is, transcript, finally. Good that these things happen, so yeah, because they often happen in make.com. So let's save. Let's save it here as well. And yeah, let's run for a last time just to make sure that it works. Because now we only got the dissatisfied or neutral thingy. Now we should get also the transcript.
Hi there, this is Alex from Tech Solutions Customer Support. How can I help you today?
Alex, I'm calling just to let you know that I'm very dissatisfied with the service because I received my iPhone and it's still broken.
I'm really sorry to hear that you received a broken...
Sweet. So let's see now. Let's go back. Webhook is listening, got the data, Open Router is processing, and boom, we got the answer. Let's see now, and voila. We have here the transcript and we have the sentiment, which is dissatisfied. Amazing. Yeah, that was pretty much it. Maybe a word of caution when it comes to the Google Sheet is make sure that you correctly connect your Google Sheet to Make. And what I mean by that is oftentimes the Make.com tells you that Google Sheet is connected, but it actually is not connected to the right sheet document. So what I like to do is always kind of give my example. Like just give some names, some in brackets, just to make sure that it is the correct sheet. And what I would do in this case is I would come here and boom, paste what we just copied. Oops, I went out. Not what I intended. So I would go here, just paste this, what we just saw. My example, exactly, save it, and voila. That would be pretty much it. So make sure that this is exactly your sheet that you have. Just give it a little name so you correctly have it. And one also thing that you will need to do is connect your Open Router with your API key. And the way that you do that is you just simply sign up to Open Router, go to keys, create key, you give it a name, you'll create it, you copy and you paste it in Open Router. Yeah, that was it. If you found this valuable, please consider giving a like or subscribing. And if you have any questions, please consider commenting or calling me directly. I do have links in my bio for you to discuss with me directly, so feel free to do that as well. And yeah, until next time.